Absolutely great news on the pro-life front as Kentucky has now banned abortions once the baby's fetal heartbeat has been detected, which can occur as early as 6 weeks into the pregnancy. Republican Governor Matt Bevin signing this into law last week. He gave a short statement after the fact saying that he could not be more proud to be governor over a state that values life as much as Kentucky does. And it is amazing to see what Governor Bevin has done there. I've sang his praises before. I will continue to do so. He is definitely championing for life there in Kentucky. But not only was the fetal heartbeat bill signed into law, but also 3 other pro-life bills that would go along with that. Now, one of those being that doctors would now be required, they would have to present information to their patients about abortion reversal treatments, about abortion reversal medicine. They would have to be very upfront with them about this, tell them everything as far as if they change their mind, here's this medication that you can take. That wasn't happening prior, so they would now be required to do that. Also, this would ban abortions based off of sex, race, and also disability. If the baby were to have a disability, that's not going to happen anymore either. And then the final one that was signed would be that Kentucky would ban abortion completely, all parts of it, if the Supreme Court, I should say when, because I know it's going to happen, when the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, Kentucky will automatically put that law into place, and you will not be able to get an abortion in that state. And many other states have done that as well, not just Kentucky, but plenty of others are preparing for that as well, because we know that we are on our way. We are definitely on the road to a huge confrontation for Roe v. Wade in the Supreme Court. It's going to be a major confrontation. When that happens, I think sooner rather than later. Let's just keep praying. Guys, if you enjoy these videos, please consider giving them a like and a share. Also subscribing here if you are new. I greatly appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for spending a couple of minutes of your day with me today. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you. And I will talk with you soon.